Hello everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you listen to Spotify music while playing Roblox. So first of all, what you have to do is that open up your Play Store and search for Spotify. I don't have Spotify, so I will just show you through an example of AudioMac. So just like I have installed AudioMac, you have to install Spotify on your device. So once you install that, you have to open it and then play any music that you want from your library or the search bar. After that, you very simply have to open up the Roblox application. If that closes your song, you can very easily come to your control center and then click on the play button. Doing this will easily start the song once again and you will be able to easily play Roblox while listening to Spotify music. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing for more videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.